Alright, here we are, headed to the basement. That's the front of the building where most customers are going to be entering to come into the restaurant. And then this will take you down into the basement. Probably not the most glamorous portion of the building, but nonetheless you need to be able to see it. A lot of stuff everywhere. Probably the most interesting thing in this particular space is going to be the extinguishing system. You can see that the main line that's coming in there, and then there's a pit out there that's run back this direction. We're headed north here, which would take us underneath the kitchen if we're walking along upstairs. Looking to the west, we've got a big hot water heater. Alright, 85-gallon capacity. This is going to be a bit tricky. Try to get my flashlight so that you can see everything else down here. Okay. So you can see there's a set of steps here that will could take us out upstairs. There's a whole other area over here. We're headed east right now. There are several sections to the building. And we were in one, the first one there on the west side, and then it's just hard to see. Anyway, it's just a long, empty area. Probably the most important thing to see is the updated plumbing that you've got here. And then when we get back here on this east section, come by the old heating system. And this is no longer in operation. Get some daylight. What I want to show you down here is there's a gas meter. This is where the gas comes into the building, etc. But probably most interesting is going to be the elevator. Generally speaking, it's still there and just needs to be repaired. Okay. You can see the cables are on there. There's your elevator car. It's down here in the basement. The motor is here. That's probably the most interesting part of the basement, and then we'll call it quits.